Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dem and you're so welcome. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this nude lipstick. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then continue watching. I'll start since my lips looks a little bit dry. I'll go ahead and apply a little bit of lip gloss. This will help the lip liner that I'm going to use to really print well. After doing that, I'll go in with my lip pencil. The lip pencil I'm using is from L'Oreal in the shade is medium brown. I'll go ahead and line my lips following my lip line. I'm not going to be overlining. After lining the upper part of my lips, I'm going to line the bottom, and in the bottom from the middle part of my lips, I'm going to line like a little bit below my lip line. Then the other part of the corners, I'm just going to line that normally. Then after lining that, I'm going to fill in the corners of the lip, the upper lips and the lower lips. Next, I'm going in with a lip gloss. The lip gloss is from NYX, is the plum lip gloss. I'm just going to apply that at the center of my lips, then rub my lips together until they are completely blend out. After that is done, you can just go ahead and stop there. But I wanted something extra, so I'll go ahead and apply another lip gloss from NYX. This one is a little bit kind of a brownish color. I'm going to apply that at the corners where I apply, like above where I apply the first color. Then I'll beat my lips together. Then I'll go in with a L'Oreal lipstick. It's a lighter shade from the others that I use, and just apply that in the center of my lips. After doing that, I'll just go ahead and blend, beat my lips together to blend everything. All the steps are optional. You can stop from the first lip gloss I apply. You can just go ahead and stop there. This part, I wanted something different. Like I wanted a color. It was not giving me the shade that I wanted. That's why you see me adding more colors. But after adding this one, I'll go ahead with my brush and blend out the corners of my lips so that the colors that I apply will blend into each other. First time, first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. After blending with the brush, I'll go ahead and rub my lips together, but this time not too much, just to get them really blend together. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll take a concealer that is closer to my skin shade and just clean the corners of my lips, and that would be basically it for this tutorial. If you wish, you can go ahead and apply a clear lip gloss on your lips, but if not, you're good to go. And that will be it for today's tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Like guys, we are getting to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. So don't forget to tell me what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, and if you want more tutorials like this one, let me know. Also let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.